Hey y'all, welcome to the Hebert house. I am so excited because today is my first baby shower for baby Hobson. This is my friend's shower. All of my friends are coming over and we are going to celebrate him. We're 28 weeks, so honestly just 28 weeks and the first shower we just thought would never get here, but it's here. Before I take you to see my baby shower, please make sure you hit subscribe so that you can follow along with the rest of our pregnancy, and also make sure you hit a thumbs up if you do like the video. So let's go see the shower. Hey Daddy.
Hey.
How you feeling?
Hungry.
Yeah.
I'm ready to eat all the food.
Are you excited about the shower?
I am.
Just for the record, he's not invited to the shower, but somebody wants to police me and make sure I don't get up and do stuff.
I'm watching you.
What do you think about us only having 11 more weeks?
It got here pretty fast, and hopefully it'll go just as fast till the end in April, and we can meet him and hold him and hug him up and hug him and throw him up in the air and catch him and
no.
Yo, go dogs.
No throwing up and catching him. Oh my gosh, what an amazing shower. My kids, pregnancy friend, my friends did an amazing job planning it and decorating, and I couldn't have asked for anything more. Like, my heart and everything is so full right now. After being on bed rest for the last 6 months, no, like 4 months, I don't know, it feels like forever. Just being surrounded by people that love us and love the baby, just, it made my heart so full. But I did a poll on Instagram yesterday and asked you guys if you wanted to see what I got at my shower. And it was definitely like almost 100% positive that you did. So I decided to show you. Real quick, if you do not follow us on Instagram and you want to see updates in between our videos on YouTube, you can. I'll put the, oh my gosh, what's it called? Like our tag. Right here. I'm serious. Pregnancy brain is such a real thing. I can't even like think. But I'll put it right here. You can follow us. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it because we got a bunch of fun stuff. So I will start. I'll just start with like a couple of the books that we got. We got this one. It's called Little Blue Truck. And it's really cute. Kevin, I told you this before, Kevin and Bobby read to Hobson every night. Well, Bobby doesn't, but Kevin tries to. And so we got a new book to read, which is great. And I also got this Very Hungry Caterpillar book. And it has little rattles, and it's obviously like a crinkle book. It opens it up. And I love these for restaurants. So that way if like the baby's banging it on the table, it doesn't make a lot of noise. But this is really cute. Alright, so, and if you see me like handing stuff off camera, Karen is here because I can't bend over that big because Mama's huge. So let's go ahead and get just the like baby necessities out of the way. First thing is we did get some baby baby like shampoos and stuff. We got the calming shampoo, and this Johnson is my favorite scent ever. And I was gonna try to go with all clean baby products, but I've been reading up on the changes that Johnson & Johnson are making, and I definitely went with that. But no hate, guys. Like, I know everybody has their own views, but so we got this, which is the calming shampoo. We got the bedtime moisture wash. And we got a big bottle of the bedtime bath. So I got all of that. We got the Safety First pacifiers, and this one has a pacifier for medicine, and it also has a pacifier that takes the baby's temperature. Thought those were really cool. We got some butt paste. So the red one is maximum strength and the yellow one is the original. So got 2 of those. We got a comb and a brush. See that? And we also got some water wipes. I love these because they obviously don't have any like the fragrances or anything like that. They're just 99.9% water and fruit extract, and so they're really good for the baby's bottom and diaper rash and things like that. So got all of that. The other thing we got that's kind of bath related is we got this, which is the Waterfall Bath Ritzer by Skip Hop. It's in the shape of a whale, and you basically just put this yellow piece against the baby's head when they get like older, be able to sit down, and you can rinse their hair from any shampoo. And I guess while we're at that, I'll show you this. My mom got me this sweet bathtub. You see if you can fit in there. It's the Skip Hop Smart Sling 3-stage tub. So you can use it like an infant and then sitting up. And it's also shaped like a whale, which I love whales. So I registered for all of this line at Skip Hop, but they have a ton of different stuff for that. Alright, so next up, and I want to show you this because my girls had so much fun laughing at this product, but my friends got me the Frito Baby Basic Kit. Let's see if I can get a shot. There you go. And in here is the nose Frito, the nail Frito, and the Derma Frito, but also what's in here is the Windy Gas Passer, which we all just had the fun, like the most fun laughing at, because basically it's like a whistle. Like you put it, you know, for the baby to pass gas, and when he does, it whistles. And so you know he did, which we all thought was hilarious. So it has all of those products in it. It's like a starter kit that you can get at Target. Let's see if it'll focus. There it goes. It's a starter kit that you can get at Target, and it's really exciting. So you can do this with the clippers. I like that. They have the safety feature on them. And then also with the skin smoother, Bobby had cradle cap really bad, so that's what this can be used for. So this is a really fun product, like fun gift. I know. And yes, it has the nose Frito, which people are really weirded out by, but I've heard great things about it. So we'll see how I do. I don't know, I might let Kevin do that one for the first time. We'll see. Okay, so the next thing I was going to show you are some bottles and some bottle items and some teething items that I got. So I am using Tommy Tippy bottles. I will be breastfeeding, but I also wanted to have the option of Kevin feeding as well. So I did get some regular bottles, and then Tommy Tippy also makes a breastfeeding option that is compatible with my breast pump. And so in the nipple, it says that it's like the closest to actual breast. So I'm really excited to try this, and I hope that Kevin will be able to feed as well. Obviously it takes a little bit of pressure off of me, but it also develops a closeness between him when he can feed Hobson. So I got these. And then we also got the Boone grass drying mat and the twig that goes with it. So like you can put the bottles and things on here, and then the nipples and parts of the bottle can go on here. Oh, before I forget, I wanted to ask you guys, if any of you have used any of these products, you loved them or you didn't like them, or you have a funny story, leave it in the comments, especially the Windy Gas Passer, because I'd really like to know if there's like secrets to it, or if you know how to use it, or if you hated it. Just let me know, because obviously we have one more shower before the baby, and we'll be getting all this stuff ready, because he will be here in about 10 weeks. So we got those. And then as far as teething items go, we got a bunch of that stuff too. We got this Sophie teether here. We also got a teething mitt, which I thought was fun because you can put it on the baby's hand and he can't drop it. So he just has it there to teeth on. This is by Ritzy. Also by Itsy Ritzy, they got me the chewable mom jewelry. So I can wear this necklace and he can just grab it up and chew on it. I thought that was neat. I'd never seen anything like that before, but I've also been out of the game for a while. And then lastly for teething, we got the Nubby 3-step teether set. So there's a step 1 for front teeth, step 2 for front and middle teeth, and step 3 for all teeth. So I thought that was cool that we could kind of grow with it. And then lastly we got his Wubbin Nub, which I'm really excited about. We picked the elephant Wubbin Nub, and so I'm really excited about. I don't know why I'm so excited about these. It's just a pacifier and a stuffed animal, but I just can't wait to see him use it. So cute. So I got that. Then I'll show you some of the blankets that we got. We got a couple sets of the muslin swaddles. So this is the cotton muslin blankets, and this set has like a black and white stripe, a gray, and then like a chicken set, which is really cute. I actually got it with that blue book, or the blue truck book, so it's kind of like farm themed. It was really cute. And then the blankets that we got were these muslin swaddles by Advent, and these are in navy, so the stars, the circles, and these match his room, so I'm really excited about these. They're so cute. I can't wait to see him in them. I just keep imagining him all cuddled up, I guess. We did get 2 wearable swaddles as well. We got the Swaddle Me original swaddle. That, which will help. Swaddling was so hard. I never got the hang of it with Bobby. And then we also got the Halo Sleep Sack Swaddle. Got those 2. If you've used these and have had success with them, let me know, because I'd like to hear some feedback on that. Oh, sorry. Okay, so next up, we got this beautiful frame. It says, "Hello world, here I am." And this actually is going to go in his nursery perfect. We are working on his nursery right now, so we'll have a tour of it coming up soon. I can't wait for y'all to see it. It's gorgeous. And another fun thing that we got was this, and it's actually just like a blue rustic canvas, and it comes with an ink pad, and you can take it to the hospital with you, and they can put his little footprints on it from when he's born. You can display it in the nursery. So cute. Can't wait to see his little feet print. Okay, last up I'll show you the clothes and then a couple big things that we got. So of the outfits we got this outfit, and it has a dachshund on it, of course. So this one's actually big. I think this is like 9 to 12 months, which is great because I like getting bigger items as well. So we got that. We got this adorable football burp cloth and a seersucker Georgia onesie, of course. This boy has got some Georgia themed outfits. We got some newborn onesies and pants. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do this because I'm trying to bend over, and I'm going to show you a bump date very soon, so you'll get to see why it's so hard to bend over. We got this cute little outfit, and this is a bib, which they didn't have these like triangle bibs when Bobby was born, so I think they're super cute. Got that outfit. We got this Carter's, it's like another sleep sack, and it's so soft. I love how soft baby clothes are. We got this little outfit, and we got this. It's a little green seersucker outfit for him to wear next year at the Masters when he is 1, and I'm obsessed with it. I really hate when bloggers say they're obsessed with stuff, but I'm literally obsessed with this outfit. It's so cute. It'll be perfect for him to wear next year at the tournament. And then lastly, we got these sweet little blue shoes that are going to match his Easter outfit perfectly. I'll take them out, but they're kind of taped up, but they're precious. So those are all of our clothes. Lastly, some of the big items we got and are registered for. I got the Bright Stars Taggy Tummy Time Prop and Play. You can see that. And you can see on the back what it looks like. And this is great for tummy time, and it kind of advances with him as he does tummy time and kind of gets more sure of himself. Got that. We got, oh my gosh, I don't even know if I can get this in the camera. Oh, can you see it? Let's see, it's got plastic all over, so you may not be able to see it. But this is the Skip Hop, Smart Lights Activity Gym. And it has dachshunds all over it, which you know I love. It's just precious. It lights up and plays music and, you know, all the fun things that babies want to look at when they don't really know what's going on. And then lastly, we got some diapers. Got lots of diapers. And we got our changing table cover. I would just went with the Munchkin because honestly his room's upstairs. We'll probably be downstairs most of the time, so he'll really only use it probably at night. And some of these are really expensive. So I just went with the Munchkin. It was like $25 at Target. And my grandmother gifted us this at our shower. So that's what we got at this shower. Like I said, we have one more with all of my family. And then we have one, I'm actually throwing Kevin a daddy shower, which is going to be really fun. I'll take you along with us then. And we are almost 29 weeks. So hang in there with us. I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I get off bed rest in about 5 weeks, and I'm hoping to have more videos up. And obviously we're hoping to take y'all along to welcome Hobson into this world. So y'all have a great day. Come back and see us soon. God bless.